In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record a video in macro mode on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started and first off, open up Camera app. By default, camera starts in photo mode. So first off, in order to record a video in macro mode, we need to switch to video mode. And once it is done, basically guys, all we have to do in order to record a video in macro mode is just bring some object close enough to our device, to our camera, and when we pointing our camera at some object, if it is close enough, it will show us that flower icon right over here at the bottom left corner. If it is showing that icon, it means that now macro mode is enabled and we can record a video in that mode. If we move our camera at some distance from the object, it will automatically turn off macro mode. That's how it works. To record a video, tap at that button, and once you are done with that, tap at that button again to stop recording it. You can easily find your video if you tap right here. You will be immediately taken to that video in your camera app. And also later, you can find it if you get into Photos, then Library, and then right over here, you can easily find your recently taken video. Basically guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.